Hello everyone, I am Pragya and I on behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society would like to welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platforms of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiatives. Today we will be discussing new and innovative techniques to make the learning process interesting and fun-filled for the students. The chapter that I'm going to cover is A Happy Child. It's from the UP Board Class 1, Chapter 5, Subject English, and the name of the innovative idea that I will be using today for covering this lesson is known as naming method. This is a revision based idea. The innovation is that through this idea, naming method, the students are able to revise certain concepts in a playful manner. A very important note is that before implementing this idea, we should have already completed the building, reading, and explaining part of the chapter. We will be using this innovation only as a means of revising the concept. The time required to implement this idea is 20 minutes. The duration for the implementation of this innovative idea is based on the assumption that pupil to teacher ratio is constant at 30 is to 1, no, and it normally takes around 10 to 15 minutes, but it can also be as per your requirement as the number of students vary from school to school, right? Okay, so the concepts that we will be covering with the help of this innovation is adjectives. The instructions for this activity is choose individual names for each student of the class. Names chosen should have scope for value addition. Assign these names to students. After 2 days, add value to the name by defining it further. For example, concepts can be used as names, such as for describing words, name students as student 1 chair, student 2 table, student 3 pencil, student 4 eraser, and so on. After 2 days, the students will then add a describing word to it. So student 1 will now be a blue chair, student 2 will be a study table, student 3 will be a long pencil, and so on. So there are some pre-arrangements that the educator needs to make before the before this activity. And what are those? He needs to get some blank paper chits and tape. Okay, so he will initiate the process of naming in the following manner. Assign the names or words related to the chapter to each student. Other students will call them with the name assigned. Write those names or words on chits and distribute them among the students. Ask the students to attach it on their shirt so that it is visible to students. For example, student 1 white, student 2 lovely, student 3 glowing, student 4 sparkling, student 5 beautiful, and student 6 happy. Conclude the process of naming by adding new information along with its previous name. For this chapter, adjectives have been added. Student 1 white egg, student 2 lovely dress, student 3 glowing cheeks, student 4 sparkling stars, student 5 beautiful flowers, student 6 happy child. This will lead to revision of the concept of adjectives. So through this innovative idea, the following learning outcomes can be achieved. The student will be able to respond to simple instructions, announcements in English made in class or school. They will infer the meaning of unfamiliar words by reading them in context. They will be able to use nouns and adjectives in speech and writing. Okay, we have to encourage students to find out more about the name assigned to them. In shortage of words and its links, one can divide the class into groups or pairs for the same word. This idea helps in relating the concepts with the immediate surroundings and day to day usage. This activity ensures active participation of students inside the classroom, which is a key aspect of peer learning approach as discussed in NCF 2005. Okay, the life skills that can be imparted with the help of this lesson are critical thinking and effective communication skills. Values that can be touched upon are acceptance, having an objective attitude towards others' ideas, equality, and fairness. The special needs children also get benefited from this innovative idea. See, the children with learning disabilities, they often struggle with remembering words and retaining new academic words, and this way they will be able to learn them in a better way. Slow learners or visual learners will look into words, colors, or symbols frequently and will have better retention. Children with intellectual disability will become part of class environment and will learn to respond to changes accordingly. Now that is all for today. Hope you liked the video, and if you do like, do not forget to give a thumbs up, and if you are new to our channel, do subscribe it and click the bell icon to get all the notifications for our future upcoming videos. You can also like our Facebook page Sri Aurobindo Society ZIIEI, and do not forget to download the innovative Pathshala app from Google Play Store. Thank you so much.